Hello traders, welcome back to today's review, and we're going to be looking at the ET9 for MT5 EA. It's also for MT4, and it was developed by Hyukui from China. Currently listed at $699, with options to rent for 3 months at $199, 6 months at $299, and a year at $399. Is a gold-focused robot built mainly for gold USD on any time frame and is marketed as a 9-in-1 trading system with multiple built-in strategies. Now, ET9 makes some pretty big claims such as breakout trading, dynamic money management, stop losses, and take profits on every trade, no greed, no martingale, and supposedly stable long-term growth. But as always, we're not here to repeat the sales page. We're going to look at what the developer is actually showing, what the strategy seems to be doing, and then compare that with my historical backtest results. And let's start with what the developer says actually powers ET9. But before that, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Let's get back to it. I said this EA combines 9 strategies for gold trading, with its main logic based around breakout trading, particularly daily, let's say the D1 breakouts and 4-hour breakouts. So yeah. The developer also mentions a feature that can add trade when a breakout occurs on the D1 or H4 time frame. That wording is important as this does not appear to be a simple one entry, one exit breakout robot. It appears to be a multi-entry system that can build exposure in the same direction when it decides or detects what it believes is a larger breakout opportunity. And the product also includes ET1 to ET9 as separate modules, and the seller presents this as 9 different systems working together. But from fire feedback visible on the page, ET1 seems to be the most active component, while the other modules may trade less often. So in real trader language, ET9 looks like a gold breakout framework with multiple variations of entry logic, and some entries may come from range conditions, some from daily breakout levels, and others from 4-hour breakout conditions. Now, the developer also says it is not a grid system, not a martingale system, not a scalping robot, and technically it may not use the classic version of those approaches. Now let's go over to a signal. You can see here 838% growth since 2025. Option to copy for 30 USD per month. We had profit trade of 86.7 in the live signal and a maximum drawdown of 91, which is extremely high. Trading activity 2.2, so it's not trading all the time. Short deposit of 1,500, profit of $3,580 with the last trade at 5 hours ago. Let's see here. Now, because gold does not always trend smoothly, gold USD can chop around the level, create false breakouts, reverse hard against major US data, or move hundreds of points very quickly during Federal Reserve events, CPI, NFP, or unexpected geopolitical headlines. So when the EA is right, the breakout and hard trades concept can produce a strong equity run, but when it's wrong, several related positions can be wrong together. Now let's get into the historical backtest results. that I ran on MT5. It was run on the gold USD as recommended on any time frame, but I chose the M15 time frame with 1 minute OHLC modeling, a $10,000 starting deposit, and a 1:100 leverage for 1 year from August 2025 to August 2026. Now, the result is massive on paper. The test turned the 10,000 starting balance into more than 1.36 million in net profit. Total profit was 1.353, as you can see the numbers here. I won't say all of them. Profit factor was 1.88, and there were 1,361 total trades with a winning of 1,221 winning trade. That gives the system an 89.71 win rate. At first glance, those numbers look very strong, but now let's look below the surface. The average winning trade, as you can see here, was around 2,375, while the average losing trade was around $11,000. So the average loss was roughly 4.6 times larger than the average win, and this is the type of profile that can win consistently for long periods, but it depends heavily on maintaining that high win rate. If market conditions changes, if false breakout increases, or if several gold positions get stopped out together, damage can arrive very quickly. Now the balance drawdown was 33.10, but the maximum equity drawdown was 50.63. That means the account experienced over 50% equity drawdown at one point. In dollar terms, the test shows more than 1.12 million of maximum equity drawdown at the later stage of the compounded account. Looking over at the equity curve, the balance curve rises steadily for much of the test, which is exactly what a high win rate system can look like. But toward the later stages, there are clear, sharp equity swings and deep pullbacks. That tells us that the closed balance can look smooth, while the open positions are carrying serious floating risk. And in practice, this matters even more if you are using a prop firm. So what is the realistic verdict? ET9 does appear to have defined logic. It is not simply an obvious unlimited no-stop grid from what is presented, but the risk profile is still aggressive. So this is not a set and forget EA for a small account. Maybe more suitable for experienced traders who understand gold volatility, can use conservative fixed lot sizing, can tolerate significant drawdown, and are willing to forward test it on their own broker before trusting with serious capital. I would really avoid it if you are trading a straight prop firm challenge, low drawdown tolerance if you have low drawdown tolerance, if you want a passive system, or if you are buying it mainly because of the 89% win rate and the huge profit figure. Historical performance is not a guarantee of future performance, and with this type of EA, the most important thing is not the headline profit, is how the strategy behaves during the losing phases. If you found this review helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and comment below the next robot you want me to analyze. Don't forget to check that link in the description for the free MT4 and MT5 Forex robots with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.